I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Audi. From any screen on your phone, make sure Bluetooth is on. We're on there. Then screen in the car is on nav. We can go to setup, Bluetooth in the bottom, click Bluetooth, discoverability, find Bluetooth devices. So we'll go to find Bluetooth devices, click on that. It's looking for one, already found it on here. We'll just see if it finds my phone on this screen, but sometimes you have to do it from here. I'll give it a couple of seconds. Oh, it's found it, so that's good. So if I click there, Audi, it's asking me for a pin, 0000, 4 noughts, click pair, pin entry required, connect, yes, and then 0000, that was just for ease of use, and then I have to turn this to OK, just turn it back, on OK there, click OK, allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the car again, so I won't, but you will, so don't allow for me. But that's it connected. That's how easy it is to do.